5 days of unlimited fun, explorations.
So Pow Wow as a week-long workshop was extremely good for me and beneficial because I got to learn something in my area of expertise, which is photography and printing.
So this initiative for Open Lab, which is 2 credit, which is called as Powwow. So at Powwow, why we've taken is to sensitize our students to certain softer skills before they are getting into their discipline specific and actually getting into learning the modules which are taught in this level. So they are freshers. We want to induct them to what is this creative world is all about, where they're learning the art of concentration, patience, exploring, making, remaking.
It was an incredible experience, really lovely working with a nice, enthusiastic group of young students whose first experience with material, introducing yarn, because as people traditionally know, yarn and crochet being a very an activity done by another generation altogether, but this is something that goes to looking at crochet being new.
So there was this one day when we spent just listening to music and watching music videos of various artists so that they become aware what is punk, what is grunge, and what does it even sound like, because we've been covering in Fashion Academia a lot of these subcultures because they're important.
So we started with making some instruments, and then today we started with a song, which is an Sundanese tribal song. The song is about going out in the rain and playing with each other and calling each other. And it's a children's song. The whole workshop is about that song, like come out and play with the bamboo and be joyful.
Last week at Pearl Academy, I had a very nice time, and also I was in the cyanotype workshop. It is actually a process of printing. It was really fun and I enjoyed. I had a very good time. I'm looking forward to the college life I'm going to have here.
I'm so glad that I got this opportunity for this week. This college is all about creativity, so I'm loving it totally.